got this new plant and I don't know how to take care of it. Any tips? Good, how are you?
I'm alright, what can I get for you?
Can I please get a venti iced caramel macchiato decaf?
You need a strawberries?
No, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Have a great
Thanks, you too. I'm here at Target now. I gotta pick up a few things. But I'm also gonna get a pot for a couple plants that we need to repot. It's a good day, it's beautiful outside, and I'm actually gonna take you guys in today. I haven't done that in a while and I just want to. And I'm in my favorite section, the Wild Fable section. These little crop tops are adorable and they're only $15. And this dress I love with little lemons. And they have this cute one too. I actually ordered this online but in a different pattern and I can't wait for it to come in. All the reviews said to size up if you're in between sizes, so I did get a medium. It has this little ruffle at the bottom. If you're wondering, this is the litter we use. It's the only one we found that like really gets rid of the smell. And I'm pretty sure you can only get it here at Target, but not the one with the Febreze. The charcoal, so it's not really scented. I feel like the scents stink. Okay, get some of these. Or should I get the value pack? I got a little lunch. To Jack's, I always get the chicken finger, 3-piece chicken finger snack with comeback sauce. Comeback sauce is key. Then a lemonade. Jack's lemonade is not very good, but
I'll be the judge of that.
it's just
That is not very good.
It's just Minute Maid lemonade. That's why it sucks.
I should have got honey mustard.
It's also not very cold. What is it, Alfred?
Albert!
What the hell? By the way, Jack's doesn't have a Cobb salad.
That's what this is. Was it a house salad?
The BLT.
Hmm.
I mean, it's the same thing, but there's no egg, is there? A Cobb has an egg.
The cold lemonade.
It does have an egg. No, I was waiting in line at Jack's. I literally watched the funniest TikTok in my life. Okay. There's a bunch of them, and they're all funny. Oh, this is my favorite one though. Okay,
Every time I come here, my order gets messed up. And stop coming. Make my day. Every time you come here, your like you're making the mistake. Look inward. You're ordering the wrong shit.
When he says look inward.
That's easy.
So I thought I would share with you what I got today at Target. We did get a patio set and I wanted some pillows to go out there. So I got this one. This is from Hearth and Hand, but it was on clearance. So it was $13. And then I got this one from the dollar section, the Bullseye's playground thing. And it was $5. And I have some other pillows around the house that I might like play around with and just kind of see, you know, what looks good. And I got this mug from my mom, blanket for the dogs. I'm hoping it's gonna be a little more durable because they like to chew holes in blankets, which is extremely annoying, but you know. So it looks like this on one side and this on the other. It's really, really soft. Okay, I picked up this top. I think there was a clip of it. It's a swimsuit, but I kind of want to wear it like as a regular top to wear with some high-waisted shorts or jeans. I got mine in a size medium. That's the only size they had, but the back is like adjustable, so there's some wiggle room there. If I wore this as a swimsuit, this would be the weirdest tan line. Been trying to get like a couple more t-shirts to just throw on, and I thought this one was really cute. It's MTV, but I feel like it's not obvious. And I got this in an extra large because the only sizes they had were medium and extra large, and I like it to be oversized. And it will shrink up when I wash it, I'm sure. So everything else is just like home stuff. This beef jerky, greenies for the dogs. We needed a peeler, some lotion. This lotion, this is my ride or die lotion. If you guys haven't tried this, you should definitely try it. It is the best. I got 2 of these big planters. They actually look way more expensive than they are. They were only $15. I'm gonna put this stuff up and then I'm gonna repot a plant that we have, or a couple plants that we have, and I'll show you guys that. Repotted those plants. I came inside and immediately fell asleep and accidentally took a nap, but that's okay. I think we're gonna watch Crazy Stupid Love because he's never seen it and it's really good, baby. So okay, so it's like 2 o'clock and I'm just now eating lunch. I wanted to show you guys because this is so good. We've had this before. It's from HelloFresh. It's the firecracker meatballs, and there's rice under there. There would be scallions on this, but I accidentally dropped the scallions. I didn't film me making it because right now we don't have a countertop. That's a long story, but basically, long story short, don't ever have Lowe's install your countertops because you'll literally not have a countertop for months. We've been doing HelloFresh for a while now, and we're obsessed with it. This video is not sponsored, but I wish it was. I'm sitting outside right now because Alfred was dying to go outside, and I don't trust him to be out here unsupervised. And I got my hair done. I love it. If you look in the direct light, you can see there's kind of some like deep brown highlights in it. It took me a while to warm up to it. I'll be honest, like when I first looked in the mirror, I was shocked because I'm not used to seeing myself with hair this dark, even though this is like pretty close to my natural color. Obviously she had to cover up like the disaster that was what was left over from my pink hair. So I'm gonna eat this now because I'm starving. This is so good. There's ginger in the meatballs. I'm obsessed. So good. And the sauce has a little bit of sriracha in it. I ordered this sticker to go in our mailbox, like on the, like when you pull it down. I've seen this a couple times and I think it's just so adorable, so I thought I would get that. And then she sent me all these cute, adorable other ones. This one's super cute. These are all probably gonna go on my laptop. I bought this off Etsy. I'll put the shop name on the screen and I'll link it down below. But yeah, they're so adorable. This computer is actually my boyfriend's old computer and he got a new one. So he gave me this one and I'm super grateful because when I edit videos, it goes so slow and there's a lot of this. So I'm going to like rearrange my desk area to set up this monitor.